My name is Roger Kamka, and I'm doing sales here at Lexco Cable. I've been here just over 2 years. All the cable assemblies and all the interesting products that we sell here. Well, I like to think that I'm a good salesperson, and certainly I was very familiar with a lot of the people here and with some of the work that is done here at Lexco before I came with my previous employer, and I certainly love the wire rope industry. So I think we're a good fit. To make sure that I find, one, what the customer wants, and two, keep them coming back. I've found out that Lexco is very good at working as a team. My previous employer and really all the places I've worked at in the past have been small companies. Lexco has almost 100 employees here, and I'm really impressed with how well we all work together as a team. Things get started every morning with lots of quotes. The Lexco is another thing that's very impressive is their ability to market, and I have an infinite pile of quotes to work from every day. I guess I've always been a fan of American industry, and from the first time I saw wire rope products over 30 years ago, it was something that really fascinated me on, one, how it's made, and two, how many different applications use wire rope. So many things that I'd seen every day that I had no idea had wire rope and cable in it. Well, I'm always looking forward to something new. A lot of the projects that I'm working on now involve a lot of working with customers on finding a good fit for what we have and what they need. I guess I'm a big fan of baseball cards, and I'm a big baseball fan as well, but yeah, I do collect baseball cards, and it takes up a good amount of my hobby time at home. A great challenge is inspiring to me, and certainly Lexco customers and all the capabilities we have here are very challenging, and it is inspiring.